Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and proximity. Make sure both AirPods have charge and are in your ears or held correctly so sensors work. Once done, turn on Bluetooth on the device you want to switch to and open its audio output or Bluetooth menu immediately. You're skipping the case, so rely on in-ear sensors and the OS's output selector. Tap the AirPods name in the list. That first selection initiates the connection handshake and establishes audio routing. Once you've opened the right menu, select your AirPods explicitly as the audio output. On iOS, use Control Center. On Mac OS, use the sound menu. On Windows, use the speaker icon, then Bluetooth outputs. If automatic switching is disabled, manually prioritizing the device forces the connection. After selection, play a short audio clip to verify sound from both buds and ensure volume and latency are acceptable. Make small adjustments in the device's audio settings if only one bud plays or levels feel off. To finish, test the microphone and controls during a call or recording to ensure full functionality. If audio drops or one bud fails to connect, first toggle Bluetooth on the device off and on, then select the AirPods again. That often clears transient pairing issues. If that does not help, remove the AirPods from the device's Bluetooth list and re-add them. Key troubleshooting tip: if nothing reconnects without the case, you will likely need to place them briefly in their charging case to perform a reset and full repairing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.